but how will all of these overnight cues impact our own markets? We have our research team joining in with how the trade setup looks like, the stocks that are likely to be in the news this morning, and of course cues from the F&O space. First up, Vamakshi is joining in to get us the cues from the markets, but first we'll get into the stocks that we need to watch out for today. Vivek is joining in. Vivek, good morning. What's on your list?
Good morning, Hormaz. Quite a few stocks to keep on our radar. Some on the back of news flow, a lot of earnings flow that's come in post-market hours yesterday. First stock on the radar, JSW Steel. The company is looking to acquire almost a two-thirds majority in an Australian company called MRES NSW. The company will be paying close to $120 million for this particular stake sale. And now, apart from that, the company will also be investing another $50 million or so. The other stock on the radar is Marico. Some positive news flow coming in over there, some relief. The company says that manufacturing operations in Bangladesh have now resumed at normal scale. Remember, there were some disruptions post the protest that the Bangladesh country saw. The next stock on the radar is NMDC. This is on the back of strong set of numbers. Net profit is coming in at close to 1,963. Our poll indicated a number closer to 1,700 crore. Revenues are also coming in at close to 5,400 versus our pool of close to 5,500 crore. The other stock on the radar on the back of results again will be Vodafone Idea. Vodafone Idea net loss has actually narrowed a little bit. The net loss has come in at close to 6,430 crore. The main number, which is the ARPU number, has stayed flat on a sequential basis, coming in at 146 rupees. Campus Activewear revenues down 4%, profitability down almost 20%. Expect some red over there. Parmec projects, again, revenues higher by 16.5%, profitability higher by 21%. Good set of numbers from Parmec. And Hindustan Copper, it's strong growth when you're comparing it on a year-on-year basis. Revenues higher by 33%, profitability coming in at 113 crore versus just around 47 crore, again, on a year-on-year basis.
Plenty of earnings reactions to watch out for, Vivek. Thanks a lot for that. Over to Vamakshi now, who is joining in with all the market cues that you need to watch out for. Vamakshi, good morning.
Well, good morning, Hormaz. It was a volatile trading session yesterday. Nifty started the week on a cautious note due to fresh allegations made by the Hindenburg report. In the first hour, however, the index surpassed last week's high. But in the last hour of trade, it slipped lower and closed slightly below opening levels. And resultantly, Nifty underperformed the broader indices. It was nearly flat, but with a negative bias. In fact, top sectoral losers include Nifty Media, which was largely led by the decline that we saw in Sun TV after its numbers. PSU Bank as well as FMCG Index were both some of the losers in the trading session yesterday. But on the flip side, Nifty Realty was the top sectoral gainer. It gained almost 1.32%, followed by Nifty Metal. Railway stocks too were in focus after the cabinet nod came in for 8 new railway projects worth almost 24,657 crores. Resultantly, we saw gains of as much as 11% on RVNL. IRCON and IRFC too were up over 2%. As far as the US markets are concerned, they snapped their 3-day losing streak. Dow Jones was up 0.76%, S&P 500 and Nasdaq gained somewhere around 1% each. As far as the cues today is concerned, global cues, watch out for US PPI. We will be watching out for Apollo Hospitals, Hero MotoCorp and Hindalco. These companies will be reporting their earnings. FirstCry and Unicommerce are also expected to list today, so watch out for those counters as well. Asian markets today are trading with a positive bias. Japanese stocks led the gains in Asia as Nikkei has climbed more than 2%. In fact, the GIFT Nifty too is indicating a rather muted start for the trading session today.
Muted start indeed, Vamakshi. Thanks a lot for that update. And over to Sudarshan now, who joins in with cues from the F&O space. Sudarshan, good morning. We're still not managing to cross that 24,350 mark. What's the setup looking like on the F&O side?
Good morning, Hormaz. That's correct. So on Monday, what did we see? So market managed to recover from day's low, and at the end, it was a close near flatline. For today also, GIFT Nifty is indicating a start near flatline. But cues from institutional side are not looking that great. If you talk about the cash market, FI sold shares of almost 4,700 crore, but it was largely offset by DIs, which bought shares of almost 4,500 crore. In the future side also, we saw FI selling shares of almost 420 crore, and at the same time have reduced long exposure by 5,100 contracts and build onto short positions by more than 2,100. And now the long exposure has reduced to 51% with total net long contracts of almost more than 15,000. On the options front, we saw activities on 24,400 call with addition of more than 10.50 lakh shares and premium is 82.65. In 24,500 call, we saw addition of 15 lakh shares with premium at 46. And on the put side, 24,300 strikes, so addition of almost 13 lakh shares with premium at 105. And 24,200 put, so addition of almost 9 lakh shares with premium at 69. So now resistance for Nifty is at 24,500 or 24,540, which is 20-day moving average, and support is at 24,160. In the stocks, we still have 15 stocks in the band. New entrant is Sun TV and GNFC is out of band.
15 stocks in the FNO ban. We'll keep an eye out for all of them. Sudarshan, thanks a lot for that. Time